are allowed to change all the business team wants. That statement only applies to the product backlog. That doesn't apply to sprint backlog. Once a sprint starts, these stories are not permitted to change. Right? So the business team has all the right, all the power, all the privilege to change the stories, add stories, remove stories, change their mind all they want. But the sprint backlog is untouchable.
Yeah, and also the duration. You can, if they cannot all the number of stories in the same sprint, they're not going to increase or decrease the duration. They'll keep the duration same. They might take some stories out and start another sprint for that. So I think that's what the picture was saying.
And then Akasha also said that one thing that is untouchable is this, and also this time. Yeah. You know, most of the time the sprint teams would have chosen wisely initially that they should be able to deliver everything that they are saying they'll deliver. But emergencies happen, you know, craziness happens, the whole team comes down with flu because, you know, and 4 days are gone. Now what do you do, right? I mean, it's a nasty virus going around, and what do? You are not able to deliver. So then they say, okay, we're gonna make a one-time exception. We're not gonna increase 2 weeks to 4 weeks. That's not gonna happen. But we had promised these 45 story points, only gonna deliver 35 this time. Return 10 story points back to the product backlog, and then we'll again reprioritize. Yeah. And just because this is going from here to here, doesn't mean it has to be done in the next sprint. It again gets reprioritized all over again based on other things in the product backlog.
And changes too. That's what Agile is, right?
Exactly.
I see. Yeah. So it gets done in the next sprint, right?
Doesn't have to be done in the next sprint. If this one wasn't done by chance, cancel permit. It goes back to the product backlog, and then when the sprint planning meeting happens, cancel permit is then again weighed against other user stories and re-evaluated as to what is its priority. It does make sense, for example, Kalyani, like most probably it will make it into the next sprint, but it's not 100% necessary.
I see. Okay, thank you.
We already know what a change request form looks like. Let's talk about page 74. I hope you guys will agree that the cost of change goes up exponentially higher the later it is.